Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna talk about custom subplots. Sometimes we need to create subplots with different columns in each row. There are simple examples. The first argument of pyplot method determines the number of rows. The second determines the number of columns in the first row. And the third is plot number. Then set the attributes of first plot, such as title, color, function, and so on. As you can see, we have 2 rows and 2 columns in the first row. Here the information of first row is completed, so start the second row. Also, we have 2 columns in the second row. The color of plots in each row is different from others. Well, there's 2 rows and 2 columns in each row. In the later example, I use a list of tuples. Each tuple in the list determines a plot in the subplot. We can use a for loop to set the attributes of each plot. The first tuple in the T-list tells us that we have 2 rows and 1 column in the first row. And the second tells that we have 2 rows and 3 columns in the second row. This example is more complicated. As you can see, we have only 1 row and 2 columns. There's only 1 plot in the first column. And in the second column, we have 3 rows, or 3 plots. Well, in the last example, we have 4 rows and 2 columns in each row. Sub 1 is for the first plot in the left-hand side column at the first row. Sub 2 is for the plot in the right-hand side at the first row. We continue coding other plots in the same way. Notice please, there's a point. Here I merge 2 cells. Here I merge 2 cells. The right hand side columns in the row number 2 and row number 3. As you can see, we have only 1 cell or 1 column in the last row. Are you excited about the output? Let's run the code and see what's gonna happen. Well, there's a problem. I get some errors. There's problems in line 8 and 9. I should correct this error too. And I should correct the color of this plot. Okay, well done. Thank you.